What if I told you that some of the biggest frustrations in your kitchen, long cooking times, messy prep work, soggy leftovers, and even melted ice on your outdoor adventures, could all be solved with just a few smart gadgets? The crazy part? Most people only know Ninja for air fryers. But they've quietly built an entire lineup of kitchen innovations that can completely change the way you cook at home. Today, we're counting down 8 incredible Ninja kitchen gadgets that solve everyday cooking problems. And we'll even show you the current prices so you know exactly what to expect before you buy. And trust me, the number one gadget isn't just another kitchen appliance. It might actually replace several of the ones already sitting on your countertop. Let's jump in. Number 8. Ninja Outdoor Pizza Oven. Ordering pizza is easy. Making restaurant-quality pizza at home? That's usually impossible. Until now. The Ninja Outdoor Pizza Oven reaches incredibly high temperatures that standard home ovens simply can't match. That means crispy crusts, bubbly cheese, and perfectly cooked toppings in just minutes. But here's what makes it even more impressive. It isn't only for pizza. You can roast vegetables, bake artisan bread, cook meats, and even prepare desserts outdoors. Imagine hosting friends in your backyard while fresh pizza cooks right in front of everyone. It's an experience, not just another appliance. It's one of those gadgets that instantly becomes the centerpiece of every cookout. Of course, great food deserves great cookware. And this next product quietly solves one of the biggest headaches in every kitchen. Number 7. Ninja Ceramic Cookware Set. How many pans have you thrown away because food started sticking? The Ninja Ceramic Cookware Set was built to end that cycle. Its ceramic-coated cooking surface helps foods slide right off, meaning less oil, easier cleanup, and better cooking results. Whether you're flipping pancakes, searing chicken, or scrambling eggs, everything feels smoother. The cookware also heats evenly, reducing those annoying hot spots that burn one side while leaving the other undercooked. And unlike cheap cookware that wears out after a few months, this set is designed for everyday use. Cooking becomes easier, cleaning becomes faster, and your kitchen simply feels more enjoyable. Now let's speed things up. Because this next Ninja machine replaces multiple appliances with one powerful system. Number 6. Ninja Professional Kitchen System. Counter space is precious. So why own separate appliances when one can do almost everything? The Ninja Professional Kitchen System combines a blender, food processor, smoothie maker, and dough mixer into one powerful package. Need frozen margaritas? Done. Cookie dough? No problem. Smoothies? Finished in seconds. Its powerful motor crushes ice effortlessly while handling tougher ingredients that smaller blenders struggle with. One unexpected benefit? Meal prep becomes dramatically faster. Instead of chopping, blending, and mixing by hand, this system handles nearly every step. For busy families, that's a serious time saver. But if saving time is your goal, this next gadget might become your favorite appliance in the entire kitchen. Number 5. Ninja Crispi Pro Air Fryer. Air fryers have become incredibly popular. But the Ninja Crispi Pro takes convenience to another level. It delivers crispy fries, juicy chicken, roasted vegetables, and reheated leftovers with little to no oil. The magic is fast circulating hot air that creates crispy textures without deep frying. One feature people absolutely love. Leftover pizza actually tastes fresh again. No soggy microwave slices. No waiting for a full-size oven. Just crispy, delicious results in minutes. It's one of those appliances you'll find yourself using almost every day. Now before you can cook, you usually have to chop. And that's where the next gadget saves an incredible amount of time. Number 4. Ninja 9-Cup Food Processor. Chopping onions, shredding cheese, slicing vegetables. These simple tasks somehow take forever. The Ninja 9-Cup Food Processor automates almost all of it. With multiple blades and processing modes, it slices, dices, chops, purees, and mixes ingredients in seconds. Preparing salsa, pie crust, hummus, or homemade coleslaw suddenly becomes almost effortless. The large bowl also makes batch cooking much easier. Instead of spending half an hour prepping ingredients, you're done in minutes. Time saved in the kitchen is time you actually get back. Now here's where things get really fun. Because dessert lovers are going to love what's next. Number 3. Ninja CREAMi Deluxe. Ice cream lovers. This one is dangerous. The Ninja CREAMi Deluxe lets you create homemade ice cream, gelato, milkshakes, smoothie bowls, frozen yogurt, and sorbets using ingredients you choose. That means lower sugar, higher protein, dairy-free recipes, or pure dessert indulgence. It's incredibly customizable. Want cookies and cream? Add crushed cookies. Need a high-protein snack after the gym? Blend in protein powder. Kids want colorful frozen treats? Easy. The possibilities feel endless. After using it once, store-bought ice cream suddenly becomes much less exciting. But our runner-up solves one of the biggest cooking challenges for large families. Number 2. Ninja Foodi MegaZone Air Fryer. Cooking two completely different foods at the same time usually means juggling multiple appliances. The Ninja Foodi MegaZone Air Fryer changes that. Its oversized cooking area gives you room for family-sized meals, while flexible cooking zones let you prepare different foods simultaneously. Imagine crispy fries on one side, juicy chicken on the other, both finishing at exactly the same time. No waiting. No extra dishes. No complicated timing. Perfect for busy weeknights when everyone is hungry. Large families especially appreciate how much faster dinner becomes. And finally, the gadget that might replace your pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, and several more appliances. Number 1. Ninja Speedi Cooker. If there were one Ninja appliance that truly earns the title of kitchen superhero, it's the Ninja Speedi Cooker. This incredible machine combines multiple cooking methods into one compact appliance. You can steam, air fry, roast, sauté, bake, slow cook, and create complete meals, all inside one cooker. Imagine cooking juicy chicken, fluffy rice, and perfectly steamed vegetables together in about 15 minutes. Instead of dirtying multiple pots and pans, dinner is finished using just one appliance. For busy parents, students, and anyone who hates spending hours cooking, that's a game changer. It's fast. It's versatile. And it completely changes how weeknight meals get made. No wonder it's earned our number 1 spot. From smarter coolers and healthier juicers to pizza ovens, powerful air fryers, and multi-cookers that replace half your kitchen, these Ninja gadgets prove that cooking doesn't have to be difficult or time-consuming. If you enjoyed this countdown, make sure to hit that like button and turn on notifications so you never miss another collection of incredible gadgets. And now we want to hear from you. Which Ninja gadget impressed you the most? Drop your answer in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video, where we'll uncover even more amazing gadgets you probably didn't know existed.